Imagine this, making money while you sleep. I mean, it's why you started your online store in the first place, selling your products all over the planet and making passive income, baby. But instead, you're spending hours upon hours on Instagram posting about your products to make sales happen. And when you stop posting, so do the sales. Time to say bye-bye to the whole dream of having passive income and just surrender to the grind, right? Wrong. Rather than investing all your time and energy into social media, you need to start investing in email marketing. And here's why. For every $1 you spend on email marketing, you'll get a $42 return, which is just huge. Not sure where to start or know you need to up-level from the random email you're sending every now and then keep watching because I share my 3-part process to converting more with less effort. Shout out to Drip for sponsoring this video and supporting my channel. They are a multi-level email marketing platform that is perfect for e-commerce businesses, but more on that later. All right, let's dive into today's tutorial. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Kate Emiley and I'm a brand and content strategist and I help you build your brand online. So email marketing sounds like it might be a bit of an old-fashioned type of marketing tool, but here's where you're wrong. Email marketing is the best platform for actually creating conversions and nurturing your community into paying clients. As a small business, you're probably wearing all of the hats and it sounds like it's just another thing you need to do. But if email marketing sounds like another thing you just have to add to your to-do list, I know as a small business owner, you're wearing all the hats and trying to juggle everything from actually running a business, growing a business, and marketing that business. It's pretty exhausting, right? Especially when you're spending so much time creating content that isn't getting the results you desire. Most people didn't start their business to become a content creator, and if you did, that's cool, but most business owners have a bigger vision in mind, but content is the tool that they use to actually spread their message and grow their audience. But when there's more competition than ever trying to keep up with the Joneses on platforms like Instagram, you're having to post daily to your feed as well as to your stories, which can be so overwhelming, especially if it's just you running the ship. Well, there is a simple solution and it's called email marketing. But before you discount it as old technology and something that's a little out of date, here's a stat for you. 4 out of 5 marketers would rather give up social media than email marketing. And why is that? Because email marketing converts with less effort. Okay, so where do you even start? In this video, I'll be sharing my 3-part approach to email marketing for e-commerce businesses. So part 1 is to attract your ideal client. I mean, what's the point of email marketing if you have nobody to send your emails to? So the first critical step in this process is to attract more of your ideal client, aka people that actually want to buy from you, into your email list. And the best way to do this is to create a lead magnet. So there's a few ways you can do this. You could go and create a guide or a mini training, depending on what sort of product it is that you offer. But otherwise, things like 10% off discounts or free shipping work really, really well for e-commerce as well. The most important thing is that you need to promote this offer, this lead magnet, everywhere you can, all over your website, all over your social media platforms. So you can start getting people onto your email list, even if they're not ready to buy from you straight away. The best way to do this is to ensure that it's in a whole bunch of your social media posts, maybe 50% or so. Have that little call to action. Join our email list for 10% off, or click the link in my bio to get 10% off or free shipping or whatever it is. Also, you want to have pop-ups on your website so any new visitors to the site will be notified of this awesome offer. Most email software providers offer this, but I've not seen it to the level of customization as that of Drip. They allow you to easily create on-brand forms and pop-ups that are dynamic and engaging, integrating perfectly into e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. You can even track the forms to see how well they've performed and make tweaks based on how your customers engage with them. Drip makes running sophisticated multi-channel marketing campaigns easy by integrating personalization, beautiful templates, and email automation workflows that are perfectly designed to sell more of your products. try Drip for free on their 14-day trial, and you'll get access to all their tools, forms, and e-commerce integrations as part of that trial. So huge thanks to Drip for sponsoring this video. But now on to part 2 of my 3-part approach: influence. You may think nurturing, connecting, and engaging with your subscribers is only something service-based businesses or coaches need to do, but as an e-commerce business with so much competition out there, you want to stay top of mind in your customers' mind frame when they're thinking about purchasing whatever it is that you offer. So ensuring that you're keeping a regular schedule of nurture-based emails, this is going to build your influence and build you as the go-to brand for whatever it is that you create. Email marketing is an almost free tool that you can be using to engage with your customers as much as you like. I would recommend sending out newsletters at least every fortnight, if not weekly, but make sure you're not selling in every single email. You're probably used to sending out emails when you have a sale or you have a new product that's just launched, but the thing is, when you only connect with your subscribers when you have something to sell, you seem a little spammy. No one wants to be sold to, but everybody wants to buy. So really understanding who your ideal customer is and what are their pain points, what are their challenges, what it is that your product can actually help solve for them. By understanding who that person is and what makes them tick, you will be full of ideas of the types of email newsletters you can be sending out to them. Emails that they actually want to read. Some ideas for you to get started are: share the features or ingredients of the product and why you've included them. Show customer testimonials or user-generated content from your customers to show a transformation after using your product. Photos or footage sharing a behind-the-scenes glimpse into what it's like to be creating your products or shipping them. A sneak peek into a new product to create buzz and interests, or some tips on how to solve the challenge that they're facing that aren't necessarily specific to your product, but are related to it. If you're sending out weekly emails that nurture your subscriber and give them free value, then when it comes time to send them a sales promotion or a new product's just launched, then they're going to be more likely to give you more attention and actually engage with what it is that you're doing, because you've built up this desire to own whatever it is that you sell, and the sale, promotion, or new launch is just that extra little tip of the iceberg to get them across the line. Which leads us perfectly into part 3 of the approach, which is convert. So you can look at this 2 ways: time-sensitive campaigns and automatic emails. So let's start with campaigns. This might be something you're already doing and sending out an email to your entire list based on a specific promotion you're running, whether that might be a discount, a buy one get one free, or something like that, and they will be time sensitive. So available for, say, the next 24 hours or the next few days. You'll want to plan 2 to 3 emails during this campaign period. One email isn't enough to ensure that everybody that wants to buy has seen that email. So you want to send out, obviously, one announcing the sale, maybe even a teaser prior to the sale, announcing the sale, and then also following up as the sale period is ending to give them that last chance to buy if they want to. Email inboxes are a busy place, especially in sales promotion periods like Black Friday or Christmas sales. So you want to make sure that people are really aware of what it is that you offer and ensuring that you have that follow-up during that period that you're offering a specific promotion. The second way you can convert your email subscribers into paying customers is with automatic emails. So the first automatic email you need to set up is your welcome email. This email will be sent out automatically to every single person that subscribes to your list. So this will probably include the promotion code you have for a discount if you've chosen that kind of lead magnet, which we talked about in part 1 of this process. So you can use this as an opportunity to also share some of your top products or things that are popular or suggestions for what they can buy next. Your welcome email will see 4 times more opens and 10 times more clicks. So it's kind of a big deal. You want to make sure this is set up in your automatic email function. You can also set up a nurture sequence that's sent out periodically after this welcome email, maybe over the next few days, explaining a little bit more about what it is you do, your mission, if you have some sort of really amazing thing that you need to teach them, whether it's about cause that you support or a specific feature that you want to share a little bit more information about. Use 2 to 3 extra emails to really describe what it is you do and position your brand as the go-to in your niche. For a simple tutorial on what to include in your nurture sequence, go and watch this video here, which will share exactly what that nurture sequence can look like and what each of those emails can contain. Other automatic emails you can set up as an e-commerce business are abandoned cart, which triggers when someone has added a product to their cart but hasn't actually followed through with the sale. Re-engagement, to get them to reconnect with your brand, whether they haven't bought from you in a while or maybe they haven't opened one of your emails. A testimonial request, which you can send out automatically to people 7 to 14 days after they've received a product to encourage them to provide you with some sort of feedback on what they thought of your product. And on their birthday, provide them with an exclusive offer, whether this is a little freebie if they purchase within their birthday month or some sort of discount. So now you know my 3-part approach to email marketing for e-commerce businesses. You've got to attract, influence, and convert. It's really easy. You don't have to be overwhelmed by this. So to dive a bit deeper, let's start with part 1, attract, and go and watch my video all about lead magnets, which shares some examples for you so you can start getting your ideas going and start creating your first lead magnet to build your email list. These ideas have been curated for e-commerce businesses, so you're going to find this one super useful. So that's it for me for today. I hope you love this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and drop a comment below if you have some questions about how you can get started with email marketing for your e-commerce business. But I'll see you back here with another online marketing video I know you're going to love. So until then, bye for now.